Hello people, I'm Sank and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a USB drive or pen drive to a bootable drive so that you can format your laptop or PC from your pen drive directly. So before we start, I want to tell you that before we start this process, you should have a Windows 7, 10, 8, 8.1 ISO image file that you need to download from a Google, okay, and you need one 8 gigabytes pen drive because the size of any operating system ISO file will be more than 4 GB. So I recommend you to uh, keep these things with you before we start this process. So let's start. So first of all, you need to go to Google, okay. And after going to Google, you need to type over your Rufus. Once you will type Rufus, create over the link, and once you create in the link you will find this kind of page. This is a Rufus page, and scroll down. Here you will find a download option over here. You will find a download option over here. You can see here, this is a Rufus 3.4 option, download option. So in this option you need to click over here, and Rufus will automatically it will start downloading. I will not click over here because I have already downloaded my Rufus, so I will ignore this part using. But you people have to click over here, and once you will download your this application, it will save in particular location. So I have saved my Rufus in location E softwares and Rufus over here. Oh yes. And now you will find this kind of location over here. You will find this kind of location over here. You can see over here. So I said mm you need, before we start this process, we need a 8 gigabyte pen drive so that we can convert that pen drive to bootable drive. So see this first part. Wait a second. Let me click this one. So I said you this first device part you can see over here. This device part means your uh, if you will insert your pen drive, then the name of your pen drive will display over here. The name of your pen drive will display over here. You can see here this part, this device part. Okay. So I have not installed my pen drive yet. So I will install my pen drive. I will install my 8 gigabyte pen drive. So you can see here this Kratos. This is my pen drive over here, 8 gigabyte pen drive. You can see over here, this is my pen drive, 8 gigabytes. Kratos, the name of my pen drive is Kratos, and I will convert this pen drive to USB, bootable USB drive. So as you can see here, I have inserted my pen drive, and the device name is displaying over here, that is Kratos. Okay, so this is your first part, and this in second part, boot selection. I told you you need to download Windows 10, 8, 7, whichever operating system you want to install in your PC. You need to install, you need to download ISO image file of that operating system. So I have already downloaded that ISO image, and again I have installed, I have saved in same location, softwares, This is a Windows 10. You can see over here, this is my Windows 10 IOC image file. So I will this image file. So I need to select from here and select this ISO image and click open. Okay. Now it is displaying over here. Hope you people this part is visible to you. I am trying to zoom if you are not getting. Okay. So I have selected my ISO file. So now my second part is partition scheme. Okay. Now what do you mean partition scheme? When you will bring your first laptop and it is first newly operating system is installed, at that time your hard disk is partitioned, divided into different drive, either using NBR or either using GPT. Now GPT, if your hard disk has the partitioned using NBR, then you need to select NBR or GPT. Now how to check whether a hard disk is GPT or in NBR format? For that, you need to write in search button uh, disk management, and you will find this kind of option over here. Click over here, and you can see your disk 0, disk 1 and CD-ROM option over here. I will try to zoom it. See, you can see disk 0, disk 1 and CD-ROM option over here. Now we have to install our operating system in disk 0 always. So uh, you need to select disk 0, right click over there, go to properties, and once you click properties, you will find this option. You can see over here, this option you will find, and after that you need to click in volumes. You need to click in volumes, and you can see over here partition style. It's master boot record MBR. So my hard disk is partition using MBR. So I have to select MBR. So I have to select MBR. Hope you guys can. It's visible for you people. It's over here. Partition style. It's MBR. Okay, see here. So I need to select MBR on the master boot. MBR stands for master boot record. It stands for master boot record. So once you have done this, close it and go over here. So select MBR. If you are GPT, please select GPT. GPT stands for guided partition table. And this BIOS, no need to do anything. Leave it as it is. No need to mess with that one. No need to mess with this one. And after that, our next is volume level. Volume level means the name given to the pen drive. So I am not giving anything here. So it by default it will be ESD ISO ISO only. Okay. So and next is file system NTFS. This also no need to do anything. By default it will be same. Only cluster size will be also same. This high advanced will be also same. No need to do anything. So now you are almost done with all options. Now you need to click start button. So once you will hit start button, then automatically your pen drive will convert to bootable drive. So I will click start over here, and one message will be displayed. It is asking that your pen drive once you will start converting bootable, whatever data is inside your pen drive, it will get destroyed. Simply do OK. Now automatically your pen drive is You can see over here your pen drive is now converting into bootable drive. You can see over here writing master copying so file. Okay. So so you continue with this process. Then once this green um, color process will reach over here, then automatically your pen drive will convert into bootable drive. Okay, so I will not wait for this whole process to finish because it will take lots of time, at least half an hour or 20 minutes. So if I will wait for this, my video length will be high. Okay, so I hope you have understood this particular tutorial, and I hope it will help you in future also. And if you like my tutorial, you like my video, don't forget to do like and subscribe my channel, and please leave your valuable comments also so that I can upload the videos according to your requirements. Thank you.